Welcome to another video in our how-to series. In this video, we'll show you how to install the FE410 Schlage Control Smart Interconnect Lock. Schlage Control Smart Locks offer unparalleled convenience and efficiency from multi-family properties, making property management easier. And installation is simple. Let's get started. Here are the tools you'll need. Start by checking the door preparation. Here are the components that came with your lock. You will need to determine the handing of your door before you begin installation. You'll adjust the handing of the lock later when instructed. Install the bolt first. Adjust the bolt length if needed. Both radius and square corner plates are provided. Change the faceplate if necessary. Secure the bolt. The deadbolt must remain retracted throughout the installation to ensure proper operation. Orient the fire cup correctly and insert it into the door. Install the latch with the bevel facing the door frame. Install the deadbolt strike plate beginning with the optional reinforcement plate. This may require additional work to the door jamb, but will ensure maximum security. Secure the latch strike plate. Install the outside deadbolt assembly. Route the battery cable over the bolt. Align the tailpiece with the slot and press the assembly onto the door. Clips will hold it into place. To set the lever handing, adjust the spindles on the inside trim assembly if needed. For a left-handed door, the spindle tabs should be vertical. For a right-handed door, the spindle tabs should be horizontal. Next, check the handing screw and reset if needed. Attach the inside assembly. Orient the assembly with the cable connection at the top as shown. Route the battery cable through the slot in the inside assembly. Move the cam to the center position. Align the tailpiece and secure the assembly to the door. Failure to correctly orient the cam and keep the bolt retracted will result in reverse bolt operation and the potential for an unsecured door. Attach the outside lever assembly. Begin by correctly orienting the handing plate for either a left hand or a right hand door and pressing it firmly into place. Orient the notch on the lever with the latch. Align the spindle and secure. Connect the battery cable. Orient the cable connector with the red wire at the bottom as shown and connect the cables. The connector only fits one way. Don't attempt to force the connection. Install the batteries as indicated by the markings on the assembly. When the batteries are connected, the lock will flash and beep 3 times, indicating that it's functioning and now in construction mode, ready to accept a valid construction credential. Construction credentials are not included with the lock and purchased separately if required. Attach the inside cover. Orient the thumb turn with the longer side up and pointing toward the hinges. Align the tailpiece and secure with the screws provided. Attach the inside and outside levers. Now that your installation is complete, you'll need to test your lock to ensure it's installed and operating correctly. Begin by testing the lever function for both inside and outside levers. Check the inside thumb turn. Now, check the latch and deadbolt strikes for proper alignment. The door should latch easily, and the bolt should move freely. If the latch or bolt are not operating freely, the strike plates may need to be aligned. Test the emergency egress function. When the inside lever is rotated, both the deadbolt and latch should retract. Finally, test the outside thumb turn. For added security, the outside thumb turn will spin freely until a valid credential is presented. Your installation is complete, and the lock is now in construction mode, which will allow it to operate from the outside with a valid construction credential or from the inside by turning the thumb turn. The lock is now ready to be captured and integrated into the Engage application for the facility. For more information, refer to the User's Guide, download the Schlage Multifamily Resource app, or visit us at schlage.com.